I haven't came out with this in a long time. Well, Mustang's back from a round of upgrades. Oh, last time it has Posi in it now. I got some new axles in this bitch, and I got some four-tiered gears up in here. So that's the first. Probably you never heard nobody doing that. It's a little V6, but I did. I will insert the clips. I didn't get many clips. I was just grinding, trying to get this shit done. But, yep. Old diff, new diff, and gears. Old gears, new gears. Can't see shit. Yeah. All empty. Ain't close to nothing on the Mustang in whole long. Just getting gears and a Posi and new axles. She's back. Very much spiffy. I'll give an update on the Cadillac. It's doing this thing. Oh, no, you might have seen the front. But, what? I got hella coolant. Make a little video and put something together. Yeah, but Mustang's back. And there's Shaka.